Today we're going to be learning 10 basic signs for the outdoors. Hello and welcome to another episode of ASL Basics, and in today's video we're going to be learning 10 basic signs for the outdoors. Today we're going to be learning 10 basic signs for the outdoors, and in the description area down below I'm going to be listing timestamps for every sign, so if you'd like to jump ahead or if you'd like to jump back to review a certain sign, it'll make it a lot easier to do that. And also at the end of this video I'm going to be including a bonus sign and a quick review cap of all 10 signs all at once, so that'll be much easier to review in the future. So let's just go ahead and jump into the very first sign for today, and the first sign is going to be mountain. And so for this, you're going to be making 2 fists, and you're going to knock your dominant hand on top of your non-dominant hand, and it's going to go up like this to show the mountain. And so the second sign for today we're going to be learning is water. And so you could use this in conjunction for other signs as well. For example, for river, which is our third sign. So you could do water stream, water path, or you could just do this sign, which is just indicating the flow of water for river. So the next sign that we're going to be learning is a sign for hiking. And so for this, we're going to be using 3s on both hands, and we're going to shuffle back and forth. Just like walking, but we're going to use the 3 hand shapes for hiking. So the next word that we're going to be learning today is for valley. And so for this, you're going to be using a flat hand shape, and we're actually going to be drawing the valley as it looks. So we just draw both sides of the valley with our hands for valley. And so the next sign that we're going to be learning is the sign for sky. And so for this, you're just going to make a big arch up above your head for the sky above you. That's it. So the next word on our list today is tree. And so for this, it's pretty simple. You just lay out one arm like this, you put your elbow on top of your non-dominant hand, and you give the tree a shake. Tree. So the next sign that we're going to be learning is for dirt. And so for this, all you do is you just kind of rub your thumb against the backs of all your fingertips for dirt. Okay, so this next sign is going to be really simple. It's a sign for rock. And so basically you'll just take your 2 fists and clank them together like that. Rock. The next word that we're going to be learning today is for trail. And so this is really easy. We just basically draw a path of where our trail is going. So trail. Okay, so today's bonus sign is the state of California, which is exactly where we are today. So there's a few ways to sign the state of California. One of the most common ways is like this, where it starts off with the I love you hand shape, and it comes down into a Y, kind of for the golden state, right? Yellow. California. And another way is just with the pointer finger, and it comes down into the Y as well. And so again, you might be come across other variations besides those 2, but those are predominantly the 2 most common ways to sign California. So those are the 10 basic signs for the outdoors, and also that bonus sign of California. So now I'm going to do a really quick recap or review of all the signs that we've learned today. And this section of the video will actually be really great for review, so you can quickly go through all the signs from this video. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first sign was mountain, then it was water, then it was river, then it was hiking, valley, sky, tree, dirt, rock, trail, and California. So those are all 11 signs that we've learned today in this video, and if you'd like to remember those other variations, be sure to utilize the timestamps that are in the description down below. And I also included some ASL online dictionaries if you would like to further learn more sign language and to add to your lexicon and to keep building that vocabulary. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, remember to press that like button and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more videos coming up. And so thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.